Here we are in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and you're looking at the Mississippi River. A couple days ago, Kathy and I took a look at those falls over by that bridge that's under construction, and we go, boy, that's underwhelming. And then today, we took a walk on the Mississippi Mile, is what it's called. And it's a bridge that I'll show you in a bit that connects us to this. And this is the only waterfall on the Mississippi River, and we're at St. Anthony's Lock, and it's run by the U.S. Army Engineering Corporation. And that Mississippi Mile starts at the end of that bridge which we walked over and brought us to here. We didn't anticipate being at a area that is run by the National Park Service, but indeed it is. So we got a stamp for our passport, even though we didn't have our passport. We'll tape it in, and we were happy that we got lucky enough to run into this. Minneapolis, Minnesota.